Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share one of my favorite hacks for prolonging a gel manicure. So after a week or two, it's likely that your gel manicure might start to lift a little bit. And this is only happening on a couple of my fingers, but I figured I would show you how to do this today because it's starting to bother me. When a piece of hair gets stuck under the polish, that's when I know that it's gotta go. So either I remove the manicure or I do this little trick to prolong it. So I start by filing down the base of the manicure. So the bottom of the manicure where it's starting to lift, just really go at that and file it so that it's pretty flush with the natural nail. So I'm starting to do this with a regular file, and then you'll see that I move on to using a buffing cube. If you have an e-file, you can use that too. I currently don't have one, but I am in the market for one. So if you have a great e-file to recommend, please let me know what it is. And then I'm just going to go ahead and buff off the entire surface of the nail. So you want to take the shine off. You don't want to get too deep, but you do want to make sure that the nails look matte and that to the touch they feel flush with the natural nail. Once that's done, I'm going to take some alcohol, remove all of the dust, and then I'm going to grab my cuticle pusher to push back my cuticles to expose a little bit more of the grown out nail. Once this is done, I'm going to grab my polishes. So I'm using a color that's pretty similar to the color that I'm wearing, and then I'm going to top it with a glitter. So what we're going to do here is basically just paint over the manicure you already have and paint into that exposed nail. So you want to paint as close to the cuticle as possible without getting it on the skin so that it looks like you have just a fresh, not grown out manicure. I recommend using a similar color or a darker color than what you're already wearing, just so that it blends pretty seamlessly. Now, once that color is dry, I'm going to go in with a glitter. Now, you don't need to use a glitter, but I find that glitter just kind of disguise this whole process. I also find that glitter is just a really strong barrier. It's very chip resistant, and it's one of my favorite ways to prolong a mani. So I'm just doing a coat of this beautiful OPI glitter. The color is I Pink It's Snowing. And I'm loving this combination. Now, this is a really bold manicure for me. I don't normally wear colors this like sparkly and bright, but I kind of like it, and I ended up wearing it all weekend long. So just painting this first coat of glitter, capping the edge, and then once it's dry, I'm going to go back and paint a nice second coat. Since I do have so many coats of polish on my nail, I'm going to skip a top coat for this mani. I don't think I need one. I think using a glittery polish on top is kind of top coat enough. So I'm just painting, kind of cleaning up as I go. If I get a little bit in the cuticle, I'm doing that off camera. We're going to clean up at the end. But I love how this looks. I love how my grown out manicure is completely disguised. My nails feel really strong. It looks like I got a fresh mani, but we're going on like almost 3 weeks of this polish. And then go in with a little cleanup brush and 100% acetone to just remove any polish that may have gotten onto the skin or cuticles. It wasn't too messy, but there are a few areas that I wanted to touch up. Once that is done, your mani is set. You have officially given your grown out gel manicure another week or so without having to go through the entire removal process. I do this all the time. It's a great little hack. It really helps to disguise the mani underneath, and there is no more snagging. That's the best part. No more hair is getting snagged on my lifting nails. This is it in the sun. This is it in indirect sunlight. It's just really fun. So next time your gel manicure is growing out, I encourage you to give this hack a try. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!